Hello students, how are you? Welcome back in our e-learning class. Let us start our third chapter of English grammar, a note on tense. Verb form that shows the time of action is called tense. Verb form that shows the time of action means when is the action takes place or at which time the action takes place. That particular time is called tense. We can express this time in different forms or different tenses. There are three main kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense means when the action is done or the action which takes place in the present time. Past tense means when the action took place in the past time or the action completed before the time of speaking. Future tense means the action that is going to take place in the future time. Tense is further subdivided into four different forms: simple or indefinite, continuous or progressive, perfect or perfect continuous tense. Thus, there can be 12 different tense or forms of verb in English. See all the 12 tenses: present simple tense, past simple tense, future simple tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. It is very important to remember the various verb forms used in the different tenses. Students, here is the chart. I am going to show you how to use this chart to recognize the tense or to learn the tense. See, the three main tense in English. Here in first line I am going to show you present tense, past tense and future tense. The subtenses here with the left side I am showing you simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. Now let us see present simple tense. In present simple tense we use V1 form of the verb. We use V1 plus yes, V1 or V1 plus yes, es. When we use only V1, when the subject is plural, we should use V1 form of the verb. When the subject is singular, we should use V1 plus yes or es. Past simple tense. In past simple tense, we need to use V2 form of the verb. Subject plus V2. In future simple tense, will shall plus V1. Now, continuous tense, present continuous tense. Now, present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we use is, am, are plus V1 ing. For singular subject, we use V is, we use am for only I, and we use are for plural subject. In continuous tense, present continuous tense, we use is, am, are plus V1 ing. Past continuous tense, we use the verb was were plus V1 ing. Was for singular subject and were for the plural subject. In future continuous tense, the verb is will, shall, be plus V1 ing. Students, we use will, shall plus be plus V1 ing. In perfect tense, we use has, have plus V3. In past perfect tense, we use the verb had plus V3. In future perfect tense, we use will, shall plus have plus V3. In perfect tense, we use V3 form of the verb. Now, perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense, we use has, have, been plus V1 ing. In past perfect continuous tense, we use had been plus V1 ing. In future perfect continuous tense, we use will, shall, have been plus V1 ing. In this way, we can learn the verb forms very easily and recognize the tense. Students, now I am going to explain with examples and giving you a formula for each tense. Present simple. In present simple tense, see the formula. Subject plus V1 or V1 plus SES plus complement. Example is she writes neatly. In this sentence, she is the subject, writes is the verb, V1 form, neatly. Well, now she is the singular subject, so we add yes to the verb. She writes neatly. Past simple tense. Subject plus V2 plus complement. She wrote neatly. In this sentence, she is the subject. Wrote is the V2 form of the verb, neatly. She wrote neatly. Future simple tense. The formula of future simple tense is subject plus will, shall plus V1 plus complement. She will write neatly. Present continuous tense, we use the formula, that is, see the formula, subject plus is, am, are plus V1 ing plus complement. Example, she is writing neatly. Now, in the formula, we use subject plus is, am, are. We use is for singular subject, am for I, and are for plural subject. Now, she is the singular subject, so we use is. She is writing neatly. Past continuous tense. The formula for past continuous tense is subject plus was, were plus V1 ing plus complement. She was writing neatly. Again, I am going to explain you. We use was for singular subject and were for plural subject. Future continuous tense. The formula for future continuous tense, subject plus will, shall plus be plus V1 ing plus complement. Example, she will be writing neatly. Present perfect tense, subject plus has, have plus V3 plus complement. We use has for singular subject and have for plural subject. Example, she has written neatly. Past perfect tense. The formula, subject plus had plus V3 plus complement. She had written neatly. Future perfect tense. Subject plus will, shall plus have plus V3 plus complement. She will have written neatly. Present perfect continuous tense. The formula for present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has have been plus V1 ing plus complement. We use has for singular subject and have for plural subject. The example is she has been writing neatly. Past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus V1 ing plus complement. She had been writing neatly. Future perfect continuous tense. The formula for this tense is subject plus will shall have been plus V1 ing plus complement. Example is she will have been writing neatly. Students, it is very important to learn the conjugations which we have learnt in first lesson. It is very important. The chart which I have given you. With the help of chart, you can learn the tense or the forms of the verbs. Also, I have given you the simplest way, the formulas of each tense. Students, you have to practice it. Recall these formulas, and now I am going to give you 2 examples for your practice. For your practice, write the following sentence in all the 12 different tenses. The first example is she learns her lessons. The second example, they use a computer. Now students, you should do the practice in this way. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.